Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your OnePlus 8 Pro, for the first you have to open one of these applications that you are going to use, and in my case it will be the Google Chrome. So let's tap on it, and right now you have to swipe with your finger and hold a little bit, and right now click on these three dots. Let's open it again. Click on these three dots right here, use the split screen option, and right now we can open the second application that you are going to use, and I will take the YouTube, and this is how it looks. With this switcher also we can adjust the size of applications. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.